Leveraging the Motive AI dash cams and all the different safety events that Motive provides allows our drivers to understand in a more granular way how to drive more safely out on the road. Hi, I'm JP Rothman. I'm a product manager with Carvana.
Hi, my name is Bethany Boni. I'm a lead product manager at Carvana.
So Carvana is a really unique used car sales experience with a massive selection of cars, and it's different because it's an online buying experience.
So a customer can get online and select from a variety of vehicles available to them to either pick up from our really cool vending machines or get delivered to their home. You also can sell your car to Carvana online as well, and we'll come pick it up directly from your house. So what we were dealing with was we looked at our data for how often we were on time for customers' STCs that sell to Carvana when they sell to us, or for their deliveries of their vehicle as well. We noticed that we weren't on time as often as we wanted, so we started to dig into where could the problem be? Were we scheduling inaccurately, or were our drivers having a hard time meeting the long distance trips? Was it traffic related? And we didn't have the answers right away until we started looking at the Motive data.
So the vehicle gateway and dash cams are important to Carvana, especially with the vehicle gateway. The opportunity is really being able to track the telematics of the trucks, understanding where the drivers are, and then leverage that data in a much broader way to track our last mile delivery and understanding where our trucks are and when they're going to deliver cars to our customers.
Customers want their vehicle when they're expecting it.
Being able to leverage the data that we get from Motive through this small device that's in each one of the trucks.
We can actually look at the customer delivery advocate's precise location on a map. The manager can see how far away they are and talk to the customer directly about when that vehicle is going to get delivered to them. All of our Carvana locations actually have a geofence around them right now. We then also have the pings along the journey and then at the customer's geofence. So if we've pinged inside, then outside the customer's geofence, we've arrived. And at that point, we start the fulfillment clock. The fulfillment clock is when we start talking to the customer, we're in the driveway, and we're fulfilling their order, whether that's a sell to Carvana or a delivery. So we took all of the actual times and compared it to what we planned the times to be. And just by shining a light on where our differences were, especially in the long haul trips, we were able to manually change the delivery expected time and get a 10% increase in our on-time delivery percentage.